So I literally left my apartment like about a 10-minute walk, and I got lost. I was walking in the wrong direction. So I've got to go that way to the train station. So I was planning on just like getting the train and go to Shinjuku. And I heard all this noise. So then I decided to come and like follow the noise basically. And there's a meat festival. This is Waranchu festival that happens over the Saturday and Sunday in Warabi area. And they celebrate meat. They celebrate eating meat. So all these vendors you can buy meat from, all different like products and things. And then I was just like walking around. I got roped into having a beer already. I don't know if they're doing like a rock, paper, scissors contest or something, but a meat festival. A festival for celebrating eating meat. That's something I can get on board with. Let's have a look around. It's not just here, but you can go over there as well. But food-wise, it's right here, and I'm looking at this beef skewer thing, and it's like it's got my name written on it. So I think I'm going to queue up and try one of these beef skewers out. Right, I got this. So we're going to try it now. It looked so good when it was on the grill, but oh my word. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Oh my days. Oh, no, that's, wow. Wow, that's so good. Oh, that's really, really good. I'm getting another one of these. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I guess it's breakfast. Wow, that is insane. Oh, that's so good. That's really, really, really good beef. Wow. I've been to one stall. They got stalls all around the joint. This is really, really good. Right, I found a little spot. This will do. It's about as good as we're gonna get spot-wise, but I got these dumplings. I wasn't expecting to get 4. I thought you got 1. It cost me 500 yen, which is like £2.50. You get 4. Look at the size of these things. They're huge. You see that? They're huge. But we're gonna try them. I'm praying that they're not pork, but even if they are, look, we're trying some. We're not eat pork because me Rastafari. Wow, they're good. Oh, I definitely don't eat breakfast. They're like chicken and vegetable. That's so good. Look at this. Absolute perfection. Lovely stuff. Lovely, lovely stuff. That's good. I have nothing more to say, honestly. A meat festival on your first day with beer, beef on skewers that is just perfection, and then dumplings with chicken and vegetables. I'm gonna be fed up now for at least the next like 4 or 5 hours. Like I'm good. I want coffee, obviously, but what a great way to start my day. So if you're in the Warabi area, and this is the 27th and 28th, then they do this every year. This is the 6th year they've done this now. So if you're around, come and check it out. There's some great food on. Absolutely great food on. And the event's over 2 days, so it's a Saturday and a Sunday. No excuses. Come down, have some food. Everybody's like picnicking, and I'll show you, but yeah, everybody's having like picnics, and it's family friendly, so yeah, what a nice event. What a lovely event. We've got to take the train to Shinjuku because that's an area that I want to explore today. I'm just going to make my way, if I can remember which way I'm going, that is. But man, the streets are just so beautiful here. To be here for the next year, I'm absolutely stoked.
Yo. Remember when she told me I should travel more? Now she message come home whenever I'm abroad. Let's have it right. Not so hot, let's check the Fahrenheit. That only makes sense, they put the man in ice. A few new things, new chains, new rings. A new wallet cause my other dream is too thin. I make it profit like a puppet cause I move strings. Now this is puppeteer. Bro, who fucking cares? Waited for a couple years trying to let my peers flourish. But they ain't holding flame to nuts and I'm just being honest. New song but they ain't no one that I hear run. Got them all like Trump covering their ears from it. For me they throw a fist of power while they in the shower. Eyes closed with the iPhone trying to get louder. I heard the man that close the tabs and they quit the browser.
Well, my initial conclusion is that Shinjuku is crazy. Like, there's just stuff everywhere. I don't even know where I am. I'm just like walking around the general area. I'm actually trying to find a coffee place if I can, but this is nuts. There's lots of this, whatever this is. There's loads of it all over the shop. Not sure if it's like what's it called? Where they sit and talk with the women and stuff. I'm not sure if it's a lot of that, but that's like all around here. There's loads of clubs like that. But yeah, this place is bonkers. There's just lights and music and stuff happening, and it's like 2 in the afternoon. I can't imagine what this is like at night, so I'm definitely gonna have to spend an evening here. But I've got a whole year to do that. I say that like I've only got a week. It's so weird. I live here now. It's so I can't get my head around that at all. So yes, I need coffee though. So I might have to look for like Google Maps and just go coffee near me or something, because I need to find a cup of chow, you know. I'm just swanning around. I got some coffee, but I just came across this torii gate. It was my first torii gate. So this is a shrine, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and have this away from here, and then I'm going to come back to this and take a look. But oh, my first torii gate! Look at that, that's sick. Oh, amazing. Oh wow, that is very impressive, isn't it? Gosh, I know I'm going to see these a lot during my time here, but that's the first one. That's the first one I've seen. Oh, fab. Oh, bro. Right, I need to go and have this so I can come back. It's so interesting watching like people take part at the shrine, and I think for myself, like I want to be involved, but I don't know how or what it means or what you have to do. I don't want to disrespect anybody or anything, but it's so peaceful. I mean, look, Shinjuku is such a busy place, but this is such a peaceful area, and there's another shrine over there. There's a shrine, there's 2 shrines there, there's one through some torii gates. I think they all mean different things, but again, it's something I probably have to research and come back to. But this has been really, really peaceful. But now I'm about an hour's walk away from the Imperial Palace. So I'm going to walk, I think it's that way, to the Imperial Palace, so that I can see that with my own eyes for the first time. And I think that's a great way to kind of like wrap up my first day. Okay, so we made it in the end. We walked all the way to the Imperial Palace, which is very impressive. These grounds here are just absolutely pristine. So I'm definitely going to come back, but I just wanted to see it with my own eyes because it's about an hour's walk. So, and yeah, really good first day. Not a lot going on, but just kind of what I got up to on my first day here in Japan. So if you guys have been enjoying these videos, I really appreciate it if you like and subscribe and comment and chat about it. It's great talking to people about the different places to go to and stuff. So yeah, it'd be fun to carry those conversations on. But until next time, see you later.
Thank you.